Okay, this is on the Rivera job, 55806. Install on 6, 8, and 9 by Brett. So this furnace is in an attic, in a closet. The furnace is 28 3/4. Whoops. And you have 30 inches there. So you're gonna need to take off at least one of these hedges, and maybe even two, depending. This is a little furnace, so you may be able to muscle it up. That'd be a lot easier than trying to get a high lift up the stairs. So you could get one of those lifts, those red lifts, and put a bar through it right here and lift it, hoist it up that way if you wanted. But if it were me, I'd probably try to muscle it up the ladder. Or if I were you. Okay, so the existing cut line is right at that duct there. So the existing duct is 1/2 inch flanges out. So you're just going to bend those flat so you can put slip. And Jason wanted me to put in a new drain pan, so we have a new drain pan under the coil only. This is an 80% furnace. So from the existing duct, let's bend the 1/2 inch flanges. Then I have a 4-inch piece, and you're going to have to put bubble wrap on these two little fittings. I'll put liner in this, but these are too short to insulate. And already my furnace is, coming way out here with my duct at the end. Anyway, let's see here. Sorry, I got lost for a minute. Okay, so that piece, the back of the furnace will be 1 inch off the back wall, and then this will transition up to meet the duct. The coil, I'll make 2 3-inch legs. Under that transition. Then these are going to be 2 4.5-inch long legs under the furnace. Sorry, 4.5-inch tall. Then we have a 90 on the end with a 24-inch throat with an end cap. This will be 2-inch liner. This 10-inch flex, you can just tap into wherever you can and into the front of it. So I'll make you an 8-inch collar for that. And then up the front or the top, whatever works out the best. I made you another collar for this 12-inch flex. They have filter grills down below, so we have 3 of them. One upstairs, I think it's a 20 by 20, and then 2 that look like they're 12 by 12 downstairs. Replace the filters in those. So combustion air is okay. It's in an attic with lots of vents. Vent to the existing 4-inch B vent right here. The top of your furnace will be right here. So give you a little bit and a few parts that you can offset back and just tie into it where you need to. So gas. So your gas actually will come out about right here. You have a caulk here, so you have a joint here, so if it works out better to take this joint off and move the caulk over here, whatever you want to do, because this will kind of move back and forth a little bit. But anyway, so out of the furnace, I gave you an 8-inch. I'm guessing on that because I don't know exactly what it is. But then I'm giving you a T, 2-inch and a cap for a drip leg, and then a flex tie into the caulk. AC is just in the front of the house. I'll get that later, but you're gonna flush the 3/4 inch line set. Ouch. Right there, and the drain goes out the back. So I would bring our coil drain out the front, you know, bring our stuff out the front if it were me, but whatever works out. Drain. Okay, drain to the existing 3/4 PVC, no trap because it's in an attic. Add a coil and a drain pan safety switch. Thermostat, Ecobee, with sensor upstairs. Replace filters. That's it. Oh, I need to get you some bands too. I'm gonna pause this and we'll go look at the AC. Oh, power, just use existing. You do have a light up here. Okay, so this is the front of the house. This is the AC. So, gonna reuse the existing pad, reuse the existing disconnect, and feels like a 4-wire. But anyway, that's it. So this is the townhome, and they have a driveway here which said cars in, but I just parked in this first stall right here. But I'm guessing they're probably gonna have cars in here when you get here, but they're gone now. Thanks.